we've had quite a few Apple CarPlay and Android Auto issues here that we've seen customers coming in that are really actually not that bad to fix, and actually something that you can even do it yourself. So what we wanted to do is just give you a how-to on how to repair your Apple CarPlay on your own. So I hope this video helps. Please remember, you can subscribe to our channel to get more how-tos, and also to like it and share with your friends if they have a Honda or they have Apple CarPlay and they're having issues. This is a great way to repair these issues. So thanks a lot.
Hi guys, are you having issues with your CarPlay? Let me show you a few tips to make that a little easier. So what we're gonna go into your settings and go into connections. What we want to do is look in your Apple CarPlay, and this is where we'll see issues. The iPhone listed here, and then we have two that are the same. When you have that, that's usually an old version and a new version. So if you update your phone and you have the old version and then you've got a new version of that. So what we've got to do is go in there and delete those every time you update your phone. So we're just going to click on that. Don't hit disable, hit delete. And we deleted that one. Deleted that one. So if we hit this, or if you see one that's ever disabled, you'll look on there. If your iPhone's not working or your CarPlay's not working, and you look at these connections and it's disabled, that's an issue. So that's basically how to clear it. And once we do that, just going to reconnect. And we're back up and going. Easy as that.